Alrighty, let's talk bookmarks. Simply put, a bookmark is a web page that you want to save as a favorite to make it nice and quick and easy for you to be able to visit it later on. So when you look at my screen here, all of these things running across this bar up the top, they're all bookmarks. They're all pages that I've saved that I want quick access to. For example, if I hit on calendar, it goes straight through to my calendar and tells me what I've got to do and where I've got to be. If I hit Calendly, it goes straight through to my Calendly dashboard. So as you can see, it's a really cool little way of organizing things and just saves me having to search stuff. So what we're going to do is quickly run through how to do this, because I know a lot of people aren't utilizing this effectively or not at all. Just while we're covering it, in Safari and in Internet Explorer, your bookmarks might also be known as favorites. So if you can't find the word bookmarks, do look for favorites. But I am going to be demonstrating this in Chrome tonight. If you have any questions, though, feel free to reach out, and I'm more than happy to try and help you figure it out. So as I mentioned, this bar across the top is what's called your bookmarks bar. You'll see some of mine are sort of direct links to different things, whereas other ones are actually stored within folders. Now, the main reason for that is I literally ran out of space. And so I put some organization into it to make it really easy for me to be able to find what it is that I'm looking for, and that the stuff that I use sort of all the time really goes here. So, click up Calendly and Mail are probably my top 3 things that I'm in and out of every single day. So how to do it, when we look at it, so if we go to a website, now I'm just going to use stuff.co.nz, which is New Zealand's national news site. Now I do like to keep up with what's going on across the ditch. My whole family is there, so we'll use this as an example. Now over on in the address bar, on the right hand side, you'll see there's this little star. Now if we click that, it's going to ask you what you want to call it and where you want to put it. So I highly suggest, like I said, with the bookmarks bar, you do run out of room fairly quickly. So I highly suggest giving it a nice short name, something that you'll remember though. So you can see over here, active campaign for me, I've got AC, PB admin is the back end to my website, CU is ClickUp. It's just so then I can have more stuff pretty much sitting on that tab. Then you need to choose where you want to put it. So for this one, I'm going to put it into just straight on the bookmarks bar. And then if we go done, now because I have no room left on this bar, if I click these little arrows over on the right hand side, it'll be sitting down the bottom here. Now you can just grab that and drag it. So if I wanted to put it up here, it will move things along pretty much based on what's going on. Now, eventually you'll end up like me, you'll end up with crap loads of stuff, and you do need to put some kind of order to it to make it more efficient for you. So up the top right of Google Chrome, you've got the 3 little dots, just click on that, then click bookmarks, and then click bookmarks manager. Now what this will do is this is all of your bookmarks, and from here you can kind of go through and reorganize stuff. So on the right hand side, you've got the 3 little dots for each thing. You've got different options here that you can do. Otherwise you can simply drag and drop and replace. So if I want to put Kajabi under tools, I've done that, and all of a sudden in my tools folder, Kajabi will be down here. And the same thing is in here, I can click and drag it, to bring it further near the top as well. You can create as many new folders as you need to, and then just really sort of, get it down to something that's going to work for you. So I have exercise, thanks to Sarah, my PT. I have one for all my socials, one that's specifically project box stuff. I've got stuff to do with Aspas, G Suite, automation tools, and then all the different tools and media and free image websites and content generators and all of that kind of stuff built in there as well. So it is quite simple to use. It's just making sure you set up some kind of organizing thing that's really going to work for you. And then, you can simply move it around. So feature future is actually a personal thing. Pace and Kindy, that's my nephew, that's personal. My project box wiki is a project box thing, so we'll drag that to project box. Anything else I can quickly move? My BAS actually needs to come up here because I do it more often. Stripe needs to come up before stuff. So you can kind of see it's really simple and easy to move, but what it means, like I said, I can literally, open up a new tab and go to 0. And it's going to take me straight to the page that I need to go to. So that is how to do bookmarks in a nutshell. If you have any questions, let me know.